All right, we're back with our Sunday pre-market post-wave report with yours truly, the algo capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from postwavetrading.com, home of the world famous post-wave price trigger reports. All right, so before we begin, I want to remind everyone that we are having a special webinar event, and it's going to be tomorrow, which is Monday, September the 11th. 2023, and it's going to be at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard New York time. And you can go to pulsewavetrading.com and you can register for that event. We will have limited seating, so you're going to want to make sure you register and do that today. And I do believe there is a link that's going to be below the description in today's video here, but you can also go to pulsewavetrading.com and you can register there. It's going to be a special webinar. You're not going to want to miss this. This is going to be a limited time opportunity. All right. And that's, like I said, 11 a.m. New York Eastern time on Monday. All right, so let's get right into it. So the first chart we have up here is Bitcoin futures. So as you can see, we had that negative trend momentum reading for quite a while. And now the market has come out of that. And we're in a situation where the bull market is trying to reclaim the price action. All right. So we have a rally alert, and the market gave you just a slither of upside production. And we still have this bullish trend momentum reading going on heading into the Monday session. And the bottom of the Kumo cloud here around, we'll call it 28,450. That's the initial upside target for this rally off of the lows here. Now, it should be noted as well that even though the market has come off of the bearish trend momentum reading, what the market is trying to do, the bull market wants to reclaim the price action from the momentum perspective, but we have a situation where the market is also trying to put in the groundwork for the beginning stages of a bear market. All right. So your long-term trend right now is still bullish, but your intermediate trend is bearish. All right. So all of the bullish momentum that is the source that causes a bull market to be a bull market and to run and to hit new highs and trend in an upward trajectory has been lost. Now, can the market reclaim it? Yes. We're underneath the Kumo cloud, which is normally not a place you want to be in a bull market, especially in a situation where the market can't get up. So far, Bitcoin has fallen and is having a hard time getting up. The last time it came down, it bounced right off of the support, but it lost it. It couldn't maintain, and that's not a good sign. Not a good sign at all. Now, last time, same thing. Market rallied, came down and bounced off the technical support area to rally some more. Then it lost it, and then support, bounce, and this time it didn't even hold it like it did back here. It just went sideways and then collapsed. That's normally the starting symptoms and signs of a bull market that has run its course and is setting up the beginning stages of a bear market. So this is one to watch. You definitely want to play the trend momentum readings for sure. However, it's one of those situations where you may have to take quick profits and be prepared to flip-flop with the market. So just something to think about for you Bitcoin traders out there. XRP Ripple is looking a lot like Bitcoin. So you have a situation where the market is trendless right now. You had a bullish trend momentum reading that caused this huge parabolic bar. The market could not hold it. It came down and corrected 100%. 100%. 100%. Which is rare. And now the market's just lost all momentum. It doesn't want to fall and it doesn't want to rally. It's like dead in the water. And you have a bearish trend momentum reading, which means the market can only head lower. I know, but you have no trend in your XRP Ripple. So something is wrong in this market, and the price action is screaming it to you. There's something wrong. Next up, we got wheat. Wheat has been struggling too. Struggling a lot, but you still got a bullish trend momentum reading. Price action is below the Kumo cloud. The bear market is holding on for dear life, not letting the bear market bounce happen, not letting a bear market rally happen, making it really tough. And the longer this thing bases out like this, you would say, okay, well, it's building a nice base so the market can rally. So like a head and shoulders. So you're expecting that, right? And that could be so. But I've also seen it go the other way, where you base out like this and then you hit a new leg lower because you're in a bear market. So that's something to think about as we're moving forward. I'm still expecting the market to at least come back up to the the mid 650, 660, 670s range. But for now, all we can do is watch and wait. You've had 1, 2, 3 rally alerts and no rally, which is rare. Normally, when you get those rally alerts, the market does move within 3 to 5 days, and we're just not getting that. So we watch and wait for wheat. Next up is soybeans. It's a locked-in bear market still, so you expect lower prices, nothing special there. Corn is looking like wheat. You got a bullish trend momentum reading. A bear market rally should be happening. This is a powerful bear market. So the bear market that we're seeing in corn and wheat is looking like the nat gas market, which just cannot get up. Those normal bear market bounces that you get, those technical bounces, you're just not able to get it. Now I'm sure, and once we get out of this contract month going into 2024, those contracts I'm sure are going to be a lot higher. A lot higher. So just something to think about. Now, if this was like a stock, or even if this was like a Forex, right? You could go ahead and you could buy now because you know that once 2024 rolls around, this thing is going to take off like a ballistic missile. But you can't hold it like that. You can't do that because these are futures contracts and they have contract expiration dates and last trading days and final trading days. So you can't hold it like that until it goes higher. You just can't. So you just have to wait. Waiting. Next up is silver. Bearish trend momentum reading. The market is in free fall and on its way to testing the $22 support. Next is nat gas we talked about. And again, this is a bear market. It's locked in. It's not letting the price action do anything. Next up is the Dow, caught up in the Kumo cloud of consolidation and confusion. it knows that once it drops south of the Kumo cloud, it goes into a free fall status, and it will trip all of the bots, all the robots, all the machines will be tripped. Those alerts will be tripped, and they will just start dumping, and the Dow will fall thousands of points almost in an instant. And that's what they're trying to keep from happening. Can the bull market reclaim the price action to rescue the market or no? That's what this week is going to tell us with all these government reports coming out. Same thing with the NASDAQ 100, stuck in the Kumo cloud of consolidation and confusion. But you got a bearish trend momentum reading, folks. We're looking at the potential disaster striking in the stock indices. Next up is gold, bearish trend momentum reading. Markets in a free fall status south of the Kumo cloud. Not looking good. It's looking like this bull market is about to go bye-bye. And we're about to go bearish. We're not there yet. But if that 1900 doesn't hold, I'm telling you, it's going to get really ugly. S&P 500 stuck in the Kumo cloud of consolidation and confusion. And it's on its way to retesting the bottom of the Kumo cloud support. If it breaks through, it will get very ugly very quickly. Crude oil crash alert now for Sunday night into Monday. The market has come off of that one-day neutralize, and you got all the way down here to fall back down to the 78 level. So look out below in crude oil. All right, next up is the euro. Same thing here. It's in free fall. It's still in a bull market, but this is the beginning stages of a potential bear market forming. All right, the euro is in a dangerous spot right now. All right, where it could drop back below par if this gets any worse. The euro is in trouble right now. Pound sterling is also in free fall. It's in trouble. You're still in a bull market, but you got a bearish trend momentum reading in the price actions in free fall. That is not a bullish sign. The Aussie has a rally alert for Sunday night into Monday. It's been trying to find a bottom, but the bear market won't let it. It's in a bear market, and it looks like the bear market wants to get deeper. Notice how the other pairs we just finished talking about, the euro and the pound sterling, are not in bear markets yet. They're in bull markets. And this one is, this Aussie is looking nasty, and it's not getting any help. Next up is the Russell, free fall status, bearish trend momentum reading, price action below the Kumo cloud. Out of all the indices, the Russell is the one that is in a free fall status right now. And we could fall big here, folks. Drop down below 1700. Copper, locked in bear market, lower prices coming, nothing to see here. Ethereum futures, all right. You have a rally alert here, and Friday was day 2, and it's trying to do something here. So it's trying to do a bear market bounce as well. Bottom of the Kumo cloud at 1835 is the initial upside target, but because it's in a free fall position right now, this market's looking like it wants to roll over. And it's also in a dangerous crossroads where you're still in a bull market, but you've already put in the groundwork for the potential of the beginning stages of a bear market. If that's true, this here represents the high. This is going to be the highs now. This is dangerous times for Ethereum futures. Very dangerous times. All right, folks. So there it is. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful weekend. I'm going to let you get back to it. The reports will be up shortly for your perusal. And remember, we do have the webinar coming up on Monday. You're not going to want to miss it. Go to pulsewavetrading.com so that you can register, so that you can be a part of that. Trust me, it's going to change your life. With that being said, remember the system works if you work the system. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Smash the like button, and I'm out. What up, James P? I see you, man. Hit that like button for me. Enjoy the rest of y'all weekend. I'm out. Peace.